Understanding idioms. Hold your horses. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, hold your horses. This phrase is not only colorful but is packed with history and cultural significance. If you've ever been puzzled by what holding horses has to do with patience, you're in the right place. Let's rewind time and understand where "hold your horses" comes from. This phrase dates back to a time when horses were the primary means of transport. To hold your horses was quite literally to keep your horses still and not dash off. Over time, this term evolved metaphorically, urging people to slow down or wait before acting. In contemporary conversation, "hold your horses" is used to tell someone to calm down, wait, or think carefully before doing something. For instance, if someone is rushing into a decision, you might say, "Hold your horses." Have you considered all the options? Let's look at a few examples. In Patience, hold your horses, the movie will start in 5 minutes. In Excitement, you just got your paycheck? Hold your horses before you spend it all. In Caution, hold your horses. We need to read the instructions before assembling the furniture. Understanding the nuance of "hold your horses" is crucial in using it correctly. It's generally informal and often conveys a friendly or light-hearted tone. However, depending on the tone and context, it can be perceived as a stern warning or a playful reminder. Hold your horses is more than an idiom. It's a bridge to English history, culture, and effective communication. Whether you're urging someone to reconsider their haste or simply asking for a moment of patience, this phrase is a handy tool in your language arsenal. We hope this video helps you use "hold your horses" confidently and correctly. Happy learning, and remember to hold your horses in your language journey.